We will shortly view a comical play by the Thespians Theatre. The play, titled Oh My Proposals, is directed by Mr. Faisal Malik and is an adaptation of Anton Chekhov's play Marriage Proposals. I hope you enjoy it.
Who is it? Jamil, it's you. How are you? It's been such a long time.
Thank you. And how are you?
Not so good, not so good. Please, have a seat. Have a seat. It's not nice to forget one's neighbor, you know. But what is it I see? Evening clothes, white gloves and all? It's not New Year, you know.
Yes, I have only come to meet you, Chaudhry.
Oh, what is it then?
It's simply this, that I have come to you, Chaudhry, to trouble you with a request. And it's not the first time that I have had the honor of turning to you for assistance. And you have always, that is, pardon, I'm a bit excited. I think I should have a glass of water first, Chaudhry.
He's come to borrow money, but I won't give him any. What is it then, dear Jamil? Just tell me.
Here it is then. Here it is then. I have come to ask for the hand of your daughter Nadia Chaudhry.
Angel! Jamil, say it once again. I didn't quite hear it.
I have the honor to beg.
Dear man, I am so happy.
I'm so happy. I always wanted to say that I loved you as my very own son, and may God give you his blessings and his charm. But why am I standing like a blockhead? I'm completely dumbfounded with pleasure, completely dumbfounded. I'll go and call Nadia. Yes. But, dear Mr. Chaudhry, what do you think? May I hope for Nadia Chaudhry's acceptance?
Fine boy like you, and she won't accept in a minute. Love sick as a cat and all that, Jamil. Nadia. I know Nadia.
I'm cold. My whole body is trembling as if I'm going to give an ACC examination. But the chief thing is to settle matters. If body shivers too much, or hesitates, or talks about it, waits for an ideal true love, never gets it. It's so cold. Nadia is an excellent housekeeper. Not at all bad looking. Well educated. What else could I ask for? I'm excited. My ears are flapping. But at first, I am 35 years old. A critical age though. And at second, I have a weak heart with continual palpitation and something on my right temple throbbed terribly, and my lips begin to tremble. And the worst of all is sleep. I hardly lie down and begin to doze when something on my left side pulled and tug and something on my shoulder hammered and my head. And I jump like a madman, and then I walk around a little and try to lie down again when something and it goes all night long. I'm good. How are you, Nadia?
You have to pardon me, I'm in my apron. We are working today. Well, why don't you come to see us for so often? Have you not been here? Sit down. Would you have something to eat?
No, thank you. I have just had breakfast.
Smoke too? There are matches. It's so beautiful today. And yesterday it was raining so hard, the man in the hay fields couldn't do a thing. How many bricks have you cut, Jamil? I was so anxious that I have to cut the whole meadow, and I'm afraid the hays are going to rot. It would have been better if I had waited. Well, what on earth is this? You are in evening clothes? You are looking very gorgeous. Are you on your way to a ball or what?
Well, my dear lady, I have actually come to ask you to listen to me. Of course, you'll be surprised and might be angry, but
What is it?
okay, I'll try to be brief. As you know, since my childhood, I have had the honor of knowing your family. My poor aunt and her husband, from whom I have inherited the entire state, had the greatest respect for your father and your poor mother. The Jamils and the Chaudhrys had the friendliest, indeed the closest terms with each other. And furthermore, my property adjoins your own. And it will be so good to remember that my meadows touch your birchwoods. But you are...
Pardon my interruption. You said my meadows? Are they yours?
Yes, the meadows belong to me.
What nonsense. Meadows belongs to us, not you.
No. You're mistaken, Nadia. The meadows are mine, but you...
Well, that is news to me, since how do they belong to you?
How? I'm talking about the meadows lying between my brick earth and your birchwoods.
Yes, exactly, but they belongs to us, not you.
No. You're once again mistaken, my dear lady. The meadows are ours, but you really...
Try to remember exactly, Jamil. Has that been so long that you had inherited them?
Long ago, as far as I can remember, the meadows belongs to us. But
You will pardon my saying so, Jamil. Meadows belongs to us, not you.
it's all a matter of record, my dear lady. It is true that at one time the title to the meadows were disputed, but now everyone knows that they belong to me. So there is no room for discussion. And please, be so good to listen. My aunt's grandmother put the meadows into the hands of your father's grandfather's peasants, who used the land for about 40 years and lived there as the land belongs to them. But later on, when...
There is not a word of truth in that. This is very unfair, Jamil. My grandfather and my great-grandfather believed that the land went as far as Batsua, which means Meadowland belongs to us. So what's the point of discussing about it?
Nadia, please, listen to me until I finish. Please. Your aunt's father's grandfather used to make bricks for my grandmother, which to them a favor. But later on, when...
There is not a room of discussion in this, Jamil. This is very unfair. We have owned that land for 300 years and all of a sudden you say it doesn't belong to us? I don't care one bit about that old meadow. It's only 12 acres. It's worth only few hundreds. But the injustice of thing affects me and I can't bother injustice.
No. Okay. Okay, Nadia. I don't need the meadows.
You can keep on explaining for 2 days and we're 15 fancy courts. The meadows are ours. It's ours.
Nadia, according to you, I am a usurper? Then am I? My dear lady, I have never appropriated other people's property, and I shall permit no one to accuse me such a thing. The meadows are mine.
Oh, Jameel, I've always thought of you as a good neighbor, a real friend. Last year, we even lent you our threshing machine, which meant we were threshing our wheat in November. And now all of a sudden, it doesn't belong to us. Excuse me, Jameel, this is not the behavior that good neighbor behaves each other. This is very low down trick.
My dear lady, please, I beg you to stop this conversation at once. The meadows are mine.
Where are they? Where are they? Where are they?
Listen to it then. गुलिस्तान सरमस हैदराबाद से 4,450 किलोमीटर के फासले पर एक कदम दाएं, फिर दाएं, फिर वापस आ जाएं। आपका अपना ख्वाब गुलिस्तान सरमस।
Thank God I didn't play Roofy Heavens. Zameen bhi apni, ghar bhi apna. The meadows are mine.
Mine.
I will show you. I will send my reapers to the meadows.
What?
I said I will send my reapers to the meadows and they will hear that flat.
And I shall chase them off.
If you dare stop,
The meadows are mine.
mine.
Do you understand?
If you want to scream, snort and rage, you have your own place. Here, you have to show some kind of comedy sense.
My dear lady, if it weren't that I was suffering from the palpitation of the heart and hammering of the arteries, I would deal with you very differently. The meadows are mine.
Mine.
Mine! 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 Mine!
What did he yelling about, Nadia?
Babaji, can you explain to this stupid man who has the meadows, him or us?
Is that it? Oh, my dear fellow, the meadows belong to us.
But merciful heavens, Chaudhry, how could you make that out? You might be reasonable. Okay, I'll explain. My aunt's grandmother put the meadows into your hands of the peasant of your grandfather, who used to make bricks for my grandmother.
Permit me, my dear friend, permit me. You're forgetting that your grandmother's peasants never paid, and there has been a lawsuit over your meadows. Everybody knows that the meadows belong to us. You haven't looked at the map, I think.
I
Oh, there is no point in yelling, my boy. You will get nothing by speaking. Listen, I don't want something that belongs to you, but neither do I intend to give something that belongs to me. If it has gone so far that you intend to claim something that belongs to me, I shall give them to the peasants rather than to you, and I certainly shall.
I can't understand. By what right can you give away the property that doesn't belong to you?
Really? You must tell me what I'm to do with my own land. I am a young man, twice your age, and I beg you to address me respectfully.
No. No. You think I'm a fool? You're making fun of me. You call my property yours and then expect me to stand by and talk to you like a human being. This isn't a good neighbor behaves, Chaudhry. By the way, you are no neighbor. You are a land grabber. That's what you are.
Babaji said there were more to the meadows at this very minute.
Oh, what did you just say, sir?
Meadows are mine. I will never give them up. Never, never, never.
Well, I shall prove it in the court that the meadows belong to me.
Court? You must sue us in the court, sir. Oh, I know people like you, always looking for an excuse to go to the law. Your whole family, intriguers, always looking for quarrels. The whole lot.
Kindly refrain from insulting my family. The entire race of Jamil has always brought to the trial for embezzlement, as your uncle was.
The entire Jamil family was insane.
Every one of them.
And your who was he? Mother, your mother was a dipsomaniac, and your younger aunt, what was her name? Pakiza Begum. She ran off with a butcher.
And I tell them all, your mother lived.
And your father was a gambler and a glutton.
And your aunt was a gossip like you, Anas.
My leg is limp. I can't walk. Water. 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 Ah. Everyone knows that you cheated at the elections. Intriguer. Swindler. Cheater. Ah. Where is my heart? Where are my shoulders?
Get out of
Where is my head?
here.
I can see the door.
Get out of my house.
The door.
From here.
The
Get
door.
out of my house. And may you never knock at my doorstep again.
And bring your suit to court.
The devil.
Good for nothing.
Scarecrow, a monster, a loafer.
Scoundrel like him has the dare to argue about something that doesn't belong to him.
And that fool was here for a proposal of marriage.
What?
Yes, he was here for a proposal of marriage.
A proposal of marriage?
Yes, that's why you have seen his easy clothes.
Oh my god, my heart is sinking. Oh my god. Oh, bring him back,
What do you
please. Bring
think?
him back.
चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे कहने दो जी कहता रहे हम प्यार के तूफानों में घिरे हैं हम क्या करें चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे कहने दो जी कहता रहे हम प्यार के तूफानों में घिरे हैं हम क्या करें
तोड़ के बंधन बांधी पाए कोई ना रोको दिल की उड़ान दिल बन चला आज फिर जीने की तमन्ना है आज फिर मरने
Hold on. John, I think before you die, we should discuss about the meadows, right?
You do just sit down and talk about the marriage proposal.
But Chaudhary,
no, just sit down. You talk about the marriage proposal. Just talk about it. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Why didn't you tell me that before that you are here to ask my hand in marriage? Can you shall reiterate ask me now? Asking you feels like asking Anjuman from Punjabi movies to bake some bread.
Come on, I'm a lad.
So show yourself on. I remember those days when you sneak into our house. I was a teenager back then.
What? Are you old now?
Obviously, I'm 25.
Okay, silly me.
You yourself is 35 and you want a teenager? Try and go work in a movie. They never passes 18 there. This is a real life. I'm a 25 now.
Oh yeah. I remember the good old times. I really used to sneak in. But at times, I was really afraid from your stupid dog Tommy.
Yeah, we have trained him such a way that he could bark on thieves and chase them off. I didn't mean you. Well, this is the first time you are in proper clothes. Well, Tommy will go with me after marriage.
Really? How come? I mean, I'm marrying you, not Tommy.
Exactly, but I wouldn't live without him.
Boy, oh boy. Some rival and not too far from your own breed? You can't beat him. Okay, I can overlook the fact that your Tommy has a short lower jaw and he can snap.
A short lower jaw? That's the first I ever heard about it.
Yes, his lower jaw is shorter than the upper.
Have you measured measured?
Yes, he's good at running though.
In the first place, Tommy is a full grown. He is a very good breed. Otherwise, your dog is old, ready, and as skinny as an old head.
Old? Certainly. I cannot buy 5 acre Tommies for my beautiful Dilber. Dilber is a dog. And Tommy? it's laughable to argue about it. Dogs like Tommy can be found at dozens in any dog dealer's house. What are you talking about?
You are very contrary today, Jamil. First, you think Madeline belongs to you. Now, you think Dilber is better than Tommy. I don't know much of a man who doesn't say what he knows about it. You know perfectly well that Tommy is 100 times better than your old Dilber.
Nadia? Either you consider me a blind man or a fool. But you must admit that your Tommy has a short lower jaw.
It's not true.
Yes, he has a short lower jaw.
It's not true.
What makes you so scream, my dear lady?
What makes you talk such nonsense? You yourself know that Tommy is 100 times better than your old Dilber. Why aren't you admitting that?
Please, I beg you. How many times do I have to tell you that I have palpitation of the heart?
The hunters who talk the most know the least about it.
Stop! My temples are bursting!
Tommy is 100 times better than your old Dilber.
Has it started again?
Papa Ji, can you say on your honor who has a better dog, him or us?
Merciful heavens, Chaudhry. Just stop thinking about the proposal. Tell me that my dog is beautiful than yours. Yes or no?
What does it matter who has what? There is no better dog in the whole wide world.
But my Dilber is better. I don't care about the
Let
proposal.
me explain.
My dog is better.
No, let me explain. I'll explain. Your Dilber certainly has his good traits. He has good strides. He is from a good breed and has strong hunches. But if you ask me, he has two faults. He's old.
No.
And he has a short lower jaw.
Pardon! I have palpitation of the heart. And so, please, be so good to remember. My dog can run and my dog kept running ear to ear in the Chaudhry's meadows. And to that tempting dog poodle.
He was behind because the poodle struck him with his whip.
Quite
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
All the other dogs were on the fox's scent. And your dog, Tommy, found it necessary to buy a sheep.
I am sensitive about that, sir. I beg you to stop this argument. He was behind because everybody looks at a good dog of strange blood with envy. You are no different, sir. As soon as you find a dog better than Dilber, you start this, that, his, hers, and so forth. I remember distinctly.
And I remember something too.
I remember something. Oh, what do you remember?
Palpitation. My leg. I can't walk. I can't see. Where my shoulders are torn apart. Doctor.
Stand still, or I shoot you with a Worms gun.
I am dying.
What kind of a hunter you are? You should stay in the kitchen by the stove and wrestle with potato peelings.
Yes,
But
what kind of
sure.
hunter are you? A guy with your diseases, or to stay at home and not jot out in saddles, intriguer, a swindler?
You can't even ride a horse?
No,
Papa Ji, what's the matter with him? I think he's dead.
he's not.
No.
Yeah, see, he's a dead.
I'm not dead. I can't breathe air.
Yeah.
I think now he is dead.
No, he's not dead.
He's dead!
Ah.
Oh, you killed him! He's dead! Oh, he's dead!
Oh, no, he's not dead. Hey, get up! Get up!
Get up!
Let me
I
check.
have to marry you!
Get up! Hey, listen! Get up! The meadows are yours! Give us an answer me! Yes, he is! You just get up! Let me check! What's going on? Hey, no, what's going on? I'm done. What's going on? No, he's not dead. Get up! He's dead. Yeah, he's dead. He's dead. Yeah, I'll be hanged. I'll be hanged. मर गया तो बनाओ लगाइए तमाम दवाई बच्ची को बहुत से दूर रखें तभी ज्यादा खराब होने की सूरत डॉक्टर से जुड़े करो मजा की सूरत बिल्कुल जुड़ा करें हमारा पुलिस भी जाएगी खुदा से कौन पाकिस्तान Oh, no, he's not dead. Get up. Yeah, he needs some water. Get him some water. You turn around. You turn around. Yes, you keep your head like this. Keep your head like this. Keep your head like this. Drink some water. No, he's not going to drink any water. You drink. Yes. When he's dead. I'll be hanged. No, I'll just shoot myself. I'll just shoot myself. He's moving. No, I'll not shoot myself. Yes, get up. Drink some water. Yes.
No.
Yes, drink some water.
No water.
But why?
Because I prefer tender orange.
No, get up. Hey, listen. She's waiting. You can marry her. Get up. Yes. Hey, where are you going? Yeah, she's waiting. Come here.
He's alive.
I'm happy. My heart fast. I'm excited.
I'm very happy too.
My legs are shaking.
After all this, it had to be. It's okay.
Come on, let's get married.
Load off my shoulders.
After all, you admitted Tommy is better than Dilbar.
What?
Tommy is better than Dilbar.
Worse.
Better.
No, worse.
Better.
Worse. ये हो नहीं सकता. Because even Tommy knows that he's not better than Dilbar, right, Tommy?
Shut up.
देखा?
Tommy, go bite him.
Goodbye, Tommy. Act like a family member.
See, he's even trying to recognize our fellow. Your old friends, I know. Your lost brothers, yes?
हाँ भाई. टॉमी और मैं साले पहले जो बनने वाले थे ना. But I think I'll just not marry Nadia and have a relationship with Tommy.
Get out of my house! Get out of my house! No, shut up! No, get out of my house!
We will insult him.
Get out of my house!
Papa Ji, we may insult him, but at least we should keep him at his spear. I have to get married to someone.
Shut up! I will marry you to the ugliest guy in the world. But him!
This can't be happen.
But why?
Because the ugliest guy on earth is already married.
To whom?
To my mother.
Shut up! How dare you talk about your father like that?
I didn't, but I can't call my mother a liar.
Shut up! I will marry you to anybody but him. We will find many, you say. Many! What are you doing here?
Sai Baba.
What's up?
Well, I think your neighbors upstairs.
What's up? You really did. Thank you so much for telling me. Otherwise, how else I would have known?
Baba, by asking them, I suppose. Vanna Baba. How else would you know?
Not. Oh yeah, really. But you tell me one thing. You tell me one thing. Sajan, you tell me one thing. Yes, you tell me one thing. Yeah. What are you doing here? Lisa, Sajan. What's happening, Nadia? What are you looking at me like this?
Kiran, Baba Vari.
Not Kiran.
She's not Kiran. What?
Baba,
She's not Kiran. What
Baba
are you
Vari,
saying?
you hit Baba.
I'm not Kiran.
What are you saying?
Not Kiran. Are you ban mein Hiran?
Ban mein Hiran.
Sachi Baba. Sun this song again.
लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे खिलता गुलाब जैसे शायर का ख्वाब जैसे
पापा बड़ी अब तो हटो पापा मुझे never समझ आए ऐ बन में हिरन चाय how come दादो big हिरन come in a small one
You being there? How come?
yeah how come थोड़ा कम थोड़ा not कम बाबा पूरा हिरन कैसे come in one
Come on, Sajjan, this one is a different one.
Papa, अब था one whatever I had to buy I won by this age I won a doctor but Baba मुझे never समझ आए one big heron in one little one what a fun
Babaji, can you explain to him this is a different bun? Bun in Hindi means forest. That means deer in a forest.
Baba don't worry they say jungle में peacock dancing who sing I say वन में हिरन खाएंगे पापा इतने डॉक्टर को माने कितनी है
Can you stop breaking the leg of the song? What's that?
We go I come Baba you're not son leg break
What do you mean leg break? You were just walking. You just walked. How can you say leg break?
Baba I'm not leg break तुम्हारे son leg break
Aren't you silly? Why are you using sun?
Baba I'm not Sanu Kamar Sanu nearby now bye bye
Oh, what nonsense! Nearby, bye. What's that?
Pipi Nadia when I gang Kamar Sanu Papa nearby Dato depressed thi gaya Baba Kamar on fourth floor now on ground floor very soon लगता है Baba top floor at heaven floor ये दी गया उसकी
चलो अच्छा हुआ किशोर की रूपों को कुछ आराम मिला होगा सारे कुमार ने भी तो उसकी नकल कर करके 360 डिग्री से 7 साल तक रखा रहा एक साथ ही बदल लिया किशोर दा ने उसका बस सजन why are you here
Chaudhary Ada Vada Khada today is a Saturday I say Saturday they give we half pay we say man work na kape
but why did you get half pay you need to work every day
No, I work every day. Har din I finish one packet every day.
so you are the one who finishes one packet of every day
Because mukhe nestle na kape. Sabal di channel sir. We finish all the
You drink so much tea.
Sone Preeti, don't Preeti. Can I have one cup of tea?
Sure, but we don't keep every day.
Can you keep every day?
We keep the alternate of every day.
How?
What's every day in Urdu?
Rose
Hey, shut up, everybody knows. You, Nadia, go and get him some tea. And Sajan, why are you here? Sajan, why are you here?
Papa, don't worry, Baba, don't worry. I'm not coming with the buri
Yeah,
niyat.
I know you ain't coming with me yet, but you have one now. That is my daughter.
Baba, mukhe tati ujjala kiya hai. I come for what? I saw your daughter. Aare gal ready to water.
चांद छुपा बादल में शर्मा के मेरी जाना
Nadia, you know this guy already has 3 wives.
Yeah, but I am sure Nadia also knows. Not 3, 4 are allowed. Right, Nadia?
Yeah, right. You have 3 wives? How come?
Yeah, how come they are not come? 3 are too many. They don't come, only I go, I come. इसीलिए वजन हो गया कम.
Nadia, help me up. Nadia.
Who are they? Where are they?
Yeah, one in Gao, one in Gon, and one in Ton.
I didn't get it. Can you explain?
Yeah, baby बैठो इधर. पापा, मुक्की डाटी ऊंची लगी है, आई पानी पियो. Baby Sonny, with the pony, I was small, my wife was tall. I did not like it all. So आई चलिंग वन चाल ओ मुंजी हाला दी थी I gave her one packet key and I told to her some sponge I left the village Papa मैं रास्ते में coming truck also coming I see the truck but the truck don't see me Papa when finally I wake up I was in makeup मुंजा चोड़ा in plaster but minda dil beat faster There were lady in gun, her hair were brown. She take care my every day. I took to her life for my every day. So I was better. I type a letter. I come to town. I find some work. I meet as a clerk girl. So Bibi Sai, she was friendly. I was ultra friendly. So Bibi Sai, one in a gown, one in a gun, and one in a ton, and highly possible front of me.
You scoundrel! Get out! Get out!
How dare you talk about daughter like that? You get out of this! Get out!
How get out? To get out. I need to play cricket. If not nobody any balls, how get out?
I tell you how you can get out of the plane. Take it. You just turn around.
Yeah, tell me. जा रहा हूँ इस महफिल से बाप को शिकायत
तेरी तो कुमार साहब का पीछे हुई है निकल जा यहाँ से और ना तेरे अपनी गोलियों ने जल्दी कर दूंगा और पहली गोली में तेरा इसलिए मारेगा कि इसकी टेस्टिंग नहीं है बताओ तेरे बिना टेस्टिंग की नहीं चल गई नहीं अबे चल दूसरी गोली में तेरे इससे मारूंगा कि इसकी इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं है और तीसरी गोली में तेरे
Can you realize? He ran away.
रुकता भी तो क्या कर लेता
Thank God we get rid of him.
Yes, sure. But we are having some strange visitors over today, and both everybody seems to be interested in your hand in marriage.
Yeah, as if someone is worthy of it.
Yes, exactly. Who are you?
क्योंकि मेरी नींद जाने लगी है वो मेरा
It seems to be that you are stuck with that humor, my friend.
ओए मेगा बाजी ओए ते मैं भी आ रही ह्यूमर ओए ते मैं भी ह्यूमर ओ बंदा सॉरी कुड़ी ओ हाय तेरे गाल दा ह्यूमर
Why did you come back?
Papa, I not come back. I come from the front.
Sajan, I said, why did you come back?
Once again, please.
Sajan, why did you come back?
Sajan! She's asking you why did you come back? Why are you making her say it again and again?
Papa, I like it when she calls me Sajjan. Once again, please.
Babaji,
Baba Sain, ये रेडियो पाकिस्तान है जो लेसन फ्रेश न्यूज़ Once upon a time there was a king Papa he lived behind the Burger King he punched the meat
ओए यार ओए ये मत पिज़्ज़ा हस्बैंड ऑफ कोई नहीं पिज़्ज़ा तेरे चार मार
Sajan, I shot you twice. How did you survive?
Papa पुलिस की पिस्तौल इस्तेमाल करने से कभी सही निशाना आता है पापा ये पिस्तौल भी मक्खियों और मच्छरों को मारने की रह गई है
ओए मेरा सोना भरा और कितनी खूबसूरत गल की है तूने
ओ मेरा सोना भरा और कितनी खूबसूरत गल की है
Malik, do you know this man is your rival? He has come to marry my daughter.
ओए क्या ओए तेरे को तो मैं अपनी पगड़ी में जो बता के चुके
क्या अच्छा सा मैंने को गाय बनाता है बाबा यो खुद बिल्ली अरे बाबा तुम भी तो कुछ बोलो ये तुझे लड़ लियो साडे भी खेत विच बैल ने इना दी गां गई डर
Stop it, you guys. Why are you here? Huh?
ओए है मेरा प्यारा मैन यार पंजाब का शेर ही है यार
Nadia, give me Okay, so you, both of you, come for my daughter's hand in marriage, right?
yeah
But I will give my daughter to the one who speaks the best English.
What English? They don't know
Yeah.
any.
Hey, Bibisana, not any. We know many. Amar, Akbar, and three. English I tried. Egg I tried. Men we cried. What is your right?
Oh, look at them. They are so funny.
Oh.
Oh, my
He's going already. He's going already, huh? I better leave. No, you're not afraid already, huh? I'm afraid of.
What about all those advances you were making for my marriage? Now you realize the truth that you can't speak English. You are going out, huh? I want a man who is not only well educated but who could speak well English and he could also afford my needs and for the rest of my life.
Oh, yes, sir. You are a true. What about without discipline in this? Everything is finishing. Everywhere I go, they tell me English is good enough. I told my friends, it's all correct. I got a good job. It's a big multinational company. As an assistant manager, I thought I am good. I thought I manage good. But when my clients talk in English, I find hard. I think it's okay to take time. Good English is no must. I speak wrong English. Bad accent. I call Mr. Ministry, Mr. Wine Isle. I call Mr. Trash, Mr. Trash. I got fired. But that time, I still thought I was good at it. I met another multinational company. I got another job, 45,000 per month. I got a car. In a meeting again, I called Mr. White. He thought I called him wild. In a meeting, I didn't know enough about it. Then I used Punjabi. It's their bitch. And the lady thing, I called him bitchy. They throw me out again. No letter of recommendation. Now I have no proof for work there. Big multinational company. Then I have to turn towards these local companies. Serve me every day. And pay only 13,000. No job security. Only tight security. Check me daily when I go and come. And check my pocket. As if I am a thief. Qualification is not enough. I know now. I'm not good in this. Studying is finished. Arey Baba, don't worry Baba, don't worry. I am also content. But my English is not good. Baba, हम दोनों मिलके इंग्लिश सीखेगा मिलो गले
So now I think you both realize the importance of English, right? Yeah, so still you want to marry my daughter?
No, I don't want to say. Can I ask for marriage? And she think I am stupid. I'm not stupid.
Oh, okay. If you want to learn English, me and my father will teach you.
baby son, why your father? Assam se, you are very handsome. You probably could teach me along, and your father teach this.
Come on, Nadia. I think we made the offer to the wrong guy. Let's go.
But what about your daughter's marriage?
We and my father will teach you the English, and the person who gets the highest marks in the exam after 3 months gets to marry me.
Sam. Damn.
I will win the exams. My English is better than these two stupid. Yes. What about my health? What about my proposal?
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. This was the presentation by the Thespians Theatre. I hope you liked that. I would like to introduce my cast. Mr. Fizan Ahmed as Jamil. Mr. Fahad Salim as Chaudhry Sahab. Mr. Hamid Malik as Sajan Bachal. Mehreen Hashmi as Nadia Chaudhry. Alamgir Khan as Malik Nisar. This was the music by Shazib Wahid Khan. An assistant was Alamgir Khan. Makeup stylist by Mr. Nadeem Idris. Set design by Umar Malik and Mehreen. And background score was Mamit. And I am the director of this play. I hope you like that.